Did you know that regular fitness can actually add years to your life and protect your energy as you age? Most seniors think exercise is only about staying in shape, but research now shows that simple, safe movement may work like a natural anti-aging switch, helping your muscles, joints, brain, and even your heart stay younger for longer. Today, you'll see why fitness might be the most powerful anti-aging secret hiding in plain sight. As we get older, our bodies naturally slow down. But the exciting truth is that senior fitness can gently reverse many of those changes. Think of it like giving your body a fresh tune-up. The right kind of daily movement may help you stay strong, stay mobile, and feel more alive even after 60. Aging often brings challenges that many seniors quietly struggle with. Muscles shrink, balance becomes less steady, flexibility fades, making everyday tasks feel heavier than before. Even simple things like standing up from a chair, lifting groceries, or climbing stairs may start to feel harder. And when the body slows down, confidence drops, leading many seniors to move even less. But this slow decline isn't a normal part of aging. It's more often a result of too little movement. And that's exactly where senior fitness becomes so important. Senior fitness doesn't mean tough workouts. Even gentle exercises may create powerful changes. Light strength training can help rebuild lost muscle. Stretching may improve flexibility and reduce stiffness. Balance exercises may lower fall risk and help you walk with more confidence. And here's something many people don't realize. Regular movement also supports mental clarity, mood, and memory. It may help you sleep better, digest better, and even feel more independent in daily life. Simple things like chair exercises, walking, resistance bands, or step-ups can make a real difference. One powerful study followed seniors in their 70s who began gentle strength and mobility exercises just 3 times a week. After 6 months, many had stronger legs, better balance, and far more energy. Some even reversed years of weakness and returned to activities they thought they had lost forever. And here's the part that truly stands out. Their biological markers showed signs of slower aging, not because of medicine, but because they moved their bodies in a way that supported healing and renewal. This is why senior fitness is now seen as a key anti-aging tool in functional and naturopathic medicine. So here's the big picture. Senior fitness may help you move better, think clearer, and stay stronger as the years go by. Just a little daily movement may protect your muscles, joints, brain, and independence. And for many seniors, it becomes the foundation for a longer, healthier, more confident life. If you want a simple, safe plan to get started, check out our Stronger Legs After 50 or Muscle Revival Blueprint, both designed for seniors and completely step-by-step. And if you're curious about supplements, don't miss the video on your end screen. It reveals surprising truths most people never hear. Before you go, tell us in the comments, what part of senior fitness do you want help with first? Strength, balance, or flexibility?